Welcome. Gonna want to grab your pork chops and a cutting utensil. I grabbed the butter knife because I'm dumb. Open them up, and we're gonna get straight to the pepper. Pepper these bad boys up. Alright, grab some salt. You know, just a little bit. You don't want to go crazy. And then Cajun seasoning, baby, on deck. This stuff's great. I put it on everything, all types of meats. And then you're gonna want to flip them over and do it again. Real important too, wash your hands after you flip them. You don't want to get pork juice on the pepper, then grandma's making eggs in the morning and she's pissed. Looking good. See my thumb, it's wet. It's because I washed them. Alright, so now we're over here at the vacuum sealer. I got these bags here. They're open on both ends, these ones. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to seal one end of the bag and make like a nice little pocket to put this pork in. So get it out of here. Butter, get out of here. Just going to lay that bag right in there. You want to make sure it's flat. You want to make sure it's clean too. I don't know how you would have gotten it dirty already, but it needs to be clean. Turn her on. Ding. Sealed. So one thing I like to do is I like to double seal them. Because you got one seal, that thing breaks. I mean, dude, you're having a bad day. Alright, you might as well just turn off the video and quit, because it's not going to be a good time for you. So there we go. 2 seals, extra safety. And now we're good. We got a little pocket. We're going to slide that pork right on in there. Carefully. Alright. If you miss, you get pork juice everywhere. It's gross. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. And we're just going to vacuum that in there with it. So again, lay it in there. Make sure it's clean. Make sure it's flat. And suck all the air out. Perfect. Oh, dude, I totally forgot the double seal at the top. Risk and reward, baby. Alright, we're going to do it again. And you want to make sure you get all the air out of these, okay? If there's any type of air bubble, anything like that, it didn't seal right, just play it safe, cut it open, do it again. Alright, because it's not going to cook right. It's not going to be good. Bad day for everybody. So I got my sous vide machine, pot, regular water in it. Got it set to 137. It's heating up, 64 degrees right now. And boom, 137. And you can up it a little bit. Really what we're doing here is we're cooking the inside of the meat. Okay, so we're just going to dunk these in there. I'm just going to cook the inside of the meat to 137 for 2 hours. It's important to cook it for 2 hours if you're going below 150. Just to be safe. You don't want to risk nothing, okay? Ding! It's done. Alright, so we're gonna pull these out. You can see that butter is all melted up. And I mean, it looks I mean, it could look better. I'll be honest with you. But we'll get to that. Check it out. Alright, so here's the most important part. Alright, so if you weren't listening, I mean, turn the volume up, bad boy. Alright, we're cutting these open, and we need to get these suckers super duper dry. Okay, they're gonna be all wet and they're full of butter. Alright, we want to take some paper towels, and we just want to, pat them dry. You don't want to squeeze them too hard. Don't go getting reckless with it, but some nice pats, some gentle squeezes. Just get it dry. Make sure you get the ends too. It's important. And look at that, coming together. Alright, let's do it again. I mean, if you're making 8 of them, do this 8 more times. I got 2, so here's what I'm doing. Again, pat it dry. Again, can't stress this enough. Needs to be completely dry. And again, it don't look good. But get a cast iron pan, get a stainless steel pan, ripping hot, 10 out of 10 heat. Listen to that. We're gonna cook those about a minute on both sides. Get a nice crust on it. See, that's what I'm talking about. See, it'll smoke, dude. You wanna turn on the fan? You wanna open the window? You know, I got my boy over here with a pillow by the smoke detector. Do what you gotta do, okay? Get that crust. Got some beans with it, some maple bacon. Got a little Barack, that Barack Obama. And then let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then we can start chopping it up. When you're cutting this, you can really tell like how nice and tender it is inside. See, look at that. Look at that. Crispy on the outside and just like tender as heck on the inside. Still a little pink. If you don't like the pink, just, you know, do it at 140. And that's all. Look at that. You got a delicious meal. That's fantastic. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching, and go cook some stuff, bruh.